right?
Yeah.
And then it is decreasing, which means the gradient of the velocity graph should first increase and then decrease. Now explain Parth, why A or C?
Okay, so because in our gradient
Hmm.
in C first it's decreasing, right? Because it's more at a constant rate. However, as it goes downwards, it
Wait,
increases.
let me go back to what you wrote. A, in A, what is happening to the gradient? It is increasing,
Increasing, yeah.
right? And if you look at option A, this is increase in gradient.
Yeah.
And then if I take this part of
It's
the graph,
decreasing, yeah.
this
It's
part of the graph
decreasing.
is decreasing. Let's look at option C.
Yes, sir.
This shape is what? It is increase in the gradient.
No, that's what I was saying earlier as well. I made a mistake there. It should be it's decreasing in the gradient earlier and then it's increasing.
Explain what is the error here.
So the error here is that it's a negative value. Now, if this would have been a positive value,
Hmm.
for example, -5 will be greater than -1.
Okay.
How do I?
Okay.
So -1 will be greater than -5. How?
Okay, fine, fine. Let's do one
Like,
thing. I will give you a very simple explanation. I'll create a very short notes for this. I'll tell you the shortcut. Based on the shapes, we can identify is the gradient increasing or decreasing. But in any case, let's quickly discuss now. So, Aryaman, what does gradient actually mean? Have you done? No, you have not done calculus yet, Aryaman, right?
yes, sir. We have
Since you
not.
have not done it yet, let me not get there. It's in maths. I will give you the shortcut tomorrow to solve this. So, Shaurya, very, very good question. Let me give you a shortcut by tomorrow for this.
Okay,
No
sir.
need to go into all this gradient stuff. Okay, next.
Can you give us a calculus explanation?
Yes, it is simple, but it will take time, Aryaman. Let's quickly do it. What does gradient actually mean? So, first of all of you write down the sentence, then we'll discuss. Gradient stands for tan theta. What does theta stands for? Write all of this.
So I think we've done this tan theta part once before.
In school?
No, in like our classes, I remember.
Okay, okay. Let's do it again now. Angle which tangent makes with the x-axis. All of you write this down, then I'll explain what does this mean. And let me know once done.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the graph, label a few points. Point A, point B,
So
and
the instantaneous rate of change is increasing. So,
Aryaman, could you repeat? You're not
like,
audible.
so like the instantaneous rate of change is increasing.
Ah, it is increasing. But why is it even increasing?
Like it's a
So,
tangent to that. The angle's going greater,
yes,
greater, greater.
at the point B. So, how do we find the theta, Aryaman? If the question is we need to find
Yes.
gradient at B, how do you find the theta? See, what's the logic? Tangent, you need to draw the tangent at point B. So watch. If I draw a tangent at B, it will look something like this. And the angle it makes with the x-axis, that is your theta. So the gradient at B will be tan theta. This is the basics of gradient. Write this down. And now, Parth, you will tell me at the point A, which I've labeled, what is the value of theta?
if you can make a tangent firstly
Let me draw
from
the
A.
tangent
Yeah.
at A. It will be horizontal.
Yeah.
So what will be the angle theta?
Won't this be the angle made between A and a tangent
The angle is between the tangent and the
and the
x-axis.
x-axis? 90
What is the
degrees.
angle?
Oh, 90, 90.
No,
No,
they are
It's
not
a very small
perpendicular.
angle, so it has to like
very
go all the way back. So it's a very small
yeah.
angle.
So it's a very
Yep.
okay.
See,
Okay.
tangent
Yeah.
is parallel to the x-axis.
Okay. Okay. So got it. Huh.
So what will
So
be the angle?
So then it's zero.
It is 0.
0 degrees. Yeah.
At
Okay.
a theta is 0, which means gradient will be 0. And that is why you need to remember the shortcut. Gradient for horizontal lines are 0. Saksham, check. Is it making sense? Just remember the shortcut. Point A, the tangent will be horizontal, gradient will be 0. Okay, which means I should have, now though we don't have the time, but I will take an extra class just for basics of things like this. Next week I will have it. Okay, tell me once you're done writing.
One second. So
Done so.
And also,
I'm done.
Shaurya, the question which you have sent is from, I just checked, it's from the Notes Wale drive. Later on, please go through that.
All right. Sir.
So, Shaurya, yes, this question is in that file. So, go through the concepts first, which I have placed before the question. Then you can easily solve it.
Okay, sir. I'll do that.
All right. Now, Parth, coming to the point C, tell me at the point C, what will be the angle theta?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. If 90-degree angle is there, what will be the gradient? Tan 90. What is tan 90?
Yeah. Tan 90 will be 1 second.
Undefined.
It is
Undefined.
undefined, or we write that as infinite. So
Okay.
we
Yeah.
for that now write down the rule. Gradient of vertical lines is infinite. Okay, tell me once you are done.
So the answer is actually C then.
For this question,
Yes. Sir.
you need to think. Take this as a homework, Ariman. It's not C. There is a slight catch. Think on it. Otherwise, I'll give you a shortcut tomorrow. All right, so I'm moving to the next question in the meantime. So, question number. Okay, finally, Shaurya, one question which is not in the file. Okay, 1 sec. Okay, so this is the one question which is not in the drive in my notes. So read. And the question is over here. So circular motion question.